Morning. We're at Stone Rouge V accommodations at Mount Summers. This is our car. We parked here. Stayed at this too cute little cottage for last night, and we're about to head out to Mount Sunday for a hike. A 1 hour drive away from here. Look at the view. Sunrise is there. It's not showing up on the camera. You can hear farm animals in the background. Yeah, on our way to Mount Sunday. Look at that snow-capped mountains. What?
Too bright.
What are they doing? Mount Sunday trek. We're gonna hike 1.5 km.
That's the
This is the route.
Đâu có chắc sao không rồi. How far is the river flowing?
Foot of Mount Sunday. Film site of Edoras in Lord of the Rings. We're gonna cross the swing bridge there. Continue hiking up Mount Sunday over there. Close the door. Continuing our way up. How far have we walked, do you think? 500 meters? 1 kilometer? How is this route 1.5 though?
Sorry?
How far have we walked? 500?
Don't know, don't care.
But going up here in 1.5 sounds a bit funny.
That hard lah.
Came up from there, cut the bridge, walk this way. It's there, and we have to continue our way up there, where there's people coming down now, all the way up to the top. After 1 hour, we have climbed up to the top of Mount Sunday.
harder for you.
Okay, everybody ready? Smile! Yeah, sorry, fast forward! Go left one! This is left!
Go left. Okay.
Yeah! Hello! Are we done? No, right? No, haven't.
Not yet. Let's do that. Someone.
Wow.
Sweet.
Hey. Okay.
Yay! We have reached the end. Finishing Mount Sunday there and back in about 2 hours, including photo time. We finished the hike of Mount Sunday there in about 2 hours with photo time there and back.
See you for the next hike.
Bye.
You can only think about the.
Fairlie bakehouse. Let's go.
You're playing hot chocolate.
2 hot chocolate.
Hi, we like 6 pies and 6 drinks. Pies first, can we have the pork belly, bacon and salmon, mince and cheese, ultimate steak, venison and cranberry, and the creamy chicken.
You don't need cash.
Yeah.
Can we have 2 hot chocolate?
What size would you like?
What size do you want?
Small or large?
Large.
Large?
One with almond milk.
One with almond milk?
Yes.
Okay.
Then one.
One latte and one mochaccino, right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we've got 4 drinks.
And then at the pie shop, look at all the pies. We've got 6.
Say something like 没有6杯 That's what mochaccino
I think yeah. Then can you put this aside? You're being very positive. You're being very positive.
No, I can
Cutting
tell
the
already. I
creamy
cannot feel the
chicken.
slush at the bottom.
Don't have my mouth same, right?
We need white sugar for anything
Normally, it's the below very sticky. Then you
So
know.
can someone help me cut it
But not
open?
sticky.
Raw sugar? You all need raw sugar or what?
I took 2 yesterday, but I guess we can take maybe 2 more.
White white or raw?
Let me cut it.
Raw, okay, cool.
Yeah, I want to open it up in the middle.
Raw.
Oh, that's quite a bit of meat.
Yeah, let it turn a bit. Then after that, it's not enough.
Oh. I think it depends on the speed you're going at also.
什么 flavor 全部
Really?
应该这个是 pork belly and sauce。
Bacon and salmon.
全部它的 taste are the two。
Ooh, oh, we didn't do. This looks good. I think we'll get another of this. This looks good.
What's that?
Put on the table is mine.
Another dessert for the girls, which is chocolate cheesecake brownie. And then the guys got themselves another steak, ultimate steak
Our recipe.
pie.
Oh,
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we
Motuariki viewpoint.
And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing.
Lake Tekapo viewpoint.
Looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question
So
was
many
in the last
tourists
chapter. You
Of
gave me
all
the
of the spots that we have been to so far.
but now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours.
We're at Lake Tekapo.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Oil? Did we bring like the oil?
Hi, Dana, how are you cooking?
shashuka and just boil broccoli.
Novice chefs helping out.
This is kitchen helper.
打仗，真的打仗。
Oh, when they come, it's
New updates at TaylorMade Hostel. 来 Master Chef, please explain what dish is this?
We are trying to make shashuka, but it tastes like meatball.
Okay, not enough herbs because to change of dish. Now we have sous chef here
Toasting bread.
Just toasting bread with a frying pan. She's a skiver. She is a huge slacker.
Take order for bread. Go.
Okay, we got the assistant help.
Kitchen helper.
Kitchen helper, not even a chef. Just picking out vegetables. We have the servers doing the cup washing, and we have the fruit chef cutting the kiwi. Do you want bread, madam?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, now we're back to the tiny area. Jordan, what are you doing with all this?
Personal stash.
This is a shashuka.
Okay. That's all?
Yup, that's it. We use onion, garlic, peppers, tomatoes, sausage, egg, and herbs and spices.
Okay.
That's it.
I have two questions.
Yup.
Why does the sausage look like meatball? It is so. And then we have broccoli and kiwi for dessert, and then broccoli again, and then some leftover salad and bread. And most importantly, we have wine. Say hi to Agama. Wine. So what wine is this? Dun 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 dun. Rosé. Rosé. Yay! We are ready. All thanks to the amazing class. Okay, can.